The science behind utilizing the rope gives you good rotation. It teaches you how to rotate the body and transfer weight from one side of the body to the next, increasing the power of the punch by a lot. So it's important that you learn this skill, learn how to go up under the rope, rotate the body, turn. So what we're gonna do is give you a demonstration on how it looks whenever you're executing a full drop and roll motion, coming up on the rope and creating rotation to increase the power of your punch and position you to defend against the punch as well. So we're gonna take this, bend the knees, you see the legs, everything's set, the weight's here. So what you're gonna do is come up here and rotate the body. Boom, take a step, pop. And you see I come up and I rotate the body here, and rotate back here, and rotate here, and here. Little short steps. Bam, pop, pop, and I'm here, 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 rotate, here, down, scoop up, rotate, boom, 2, 3, here, up, rotate, here, here, scoop, here, boom, 2, 3, bam, 1, 2, 3, bam, 1, 2, 3, boom, rotate. Then walk it out. Super important that you're in control. Now, how does it look when you're transitioning to throw the hook from using the rope drill? First thing you do is you master the science of keeping that posture, which is high guard. So you're also coming up and blocking their hook. Never hook with a hooker. You dropping under. Come up. Block the hook, come back over. Block the hook, come back over. Block the hook, and come back over. That's the sequence. You take it all the way down, and then you come back. Doing the same thing. You run that 3 to 4 rounds, 90-second to 2-minute rounds. You just walk through it. You work on your power shots, keeping it consistent. Don't overthink it. Allow your flow and the rotation to take your game to the next level.